about our TRM series, our most versatile machine, our most sought out machine by many customers. Because when we built this machine, we really built it with a lot of industries in mind, from prototyping to signage to woodworking even. The first thing I wanted to point out is these pop-up pins you see right here, allowing you to just toss on the material in here, line it up with these pins. Once the machine starts, these pins will drop, giving you that ability to cut through your substrate easily and seamlessly. Another thing I want to point out is our vacuum zone table that allows you to section off the table to however strong you want the vacuum system to hold. Whether it be at the farther end of the table, whether it be in the front, you'll still have that full maximum hold on your sheet. This machine, when we built it, we really wanted to include the ability for you to expand your business and creativity that allows you to have 2 knives and a spindle system. This spindle system is a 7 horsepower spindle that gives you that precision and allows you to have that precise and seam cuts. Once these pinions drop down, you're able to cut everything with the registration marks. We have a camera system built in that allows you to cut through this material, giving you a really precise cut, giving you that quality cut that you need to be able to present this to your customers for them to be happy.
I wanted to introduce our new QR scanning system designed to streamline your workflow. With the integrated CCD camera, the machine automatically scans and begins the cutting process. This ensures precise and efficient cuts every time, reducing manual input. Now your operators have more free time to focus on other projects, all while trusting that the machine will handle the job flawlessly. Experience a more smoother and more efficient operation with this system.